Ever stumble upon an amazing article, only to get sidetracked by a cat video? We've all been there, and completely forget about that must-read piece. Or maybe you're someone who religiously saves articles for later, only to have your later list become an overwhelming, unread graveyard of content. Female sign. If you're nodding furiously, welcome to the club. The internet is a treasure trove of information, but sometimes it feels like there's just too much. That's where Pocket comes in, your personal oasis in the vast digital ocean. But what exactly is Pocket? Buckle up, information devourers, because we're diving deep into the world of saved articles and streamlined reading. Pocket, your content curator. Forget bulky binders and overflowing bookmarks. Pocket is a free app, with a premium option we'll get to later, that acts as your digital filing cabinet for all things web-based. Articles, videos, recipes, anything you find interesting online can be saved to Pocket with just a few clicks. Here's the beauty: Pocket transforms these saved bits into clean, clutter-free reading experiences. No more ads, no more distractions, just the content you want, presented beautifully. Saving made simple, seriously. Imagine this: you're scrolling through your newsfeed and bam. You hit an article that piques your interest. But you're short on time, or maybe you're in the middle of something. No problem. With Pocket's handy browser extensions and mobile app integration, saving an article takes mere seconds. Just a quick tap or click, and that article is whisked away to your Pocket paradise. No need to worry about losing track, it'll be waiting for you whenever you're ready to dive in. Offline? No worries. Here's another game changer: Pocket lets you download your saved articles for offline reading. Stuck on a long flight with no Wi-Fi? No problem. Take your Pocket library with you and lose yourself in a world of curated content, even when you're disconnected from the internet. Organize and conquer. Let's face it, information overload is real. But with Pocket, keeping your saved content organized is a breeze. Create custom tags, categorize articles by topic, and even utilize the built-in search function to find exactly what you're looking for in a flash. Premium perks, unlocking the full potential. While the free version of Pocket is fantastic, the premium option offers some additional features that might just tickle your fancy. For a small monthly fee, you can unlock permanent offline access to all your articles, adjust the text-to-speech functionality, and even archive articles for future reference. It's a small investment for a significantly smoother reading experience. Pocket, more than just saved articles. Think Pocket is just for articles? Think again. This versatile app allows you to save videos, recipes, even podcasts for later consumption. It acts as a central hub for all your online discoveries, letting you curate a personalized collection of content that caters to your specific interests. The final verdict: is Pocket worth it? Absolutely. Whether you're a casual browser or a content consumption connoisseur, Pocket has something to offer. It streamlines your reading experience, organizes your online finds, and lets you enjoy content even when offline. Plus, the free version packs a punch, making it a no-brainer for anyone looking to declutter their digital life. So, the next time you encounter a fascinating article or a must-watch video, don't let it get lost in the abyss of the internet. Pocket it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.